So why aren't clients sending you more referrals, right? I mean, after all, you're amazing at what you do, right? And you're awesome. So here's a quick fix. So here's what you have to do. There's only 3 reasons why you might not getting all those referrals. Number 1, you're not asking. See, most loan officers assume that agents will send them more deals if they're just happy with your last deal. They won't unless you ask. So quick script. Hey, who's the next buyer that you're working with that I can help you with? I'd love to work with you this month. That's it. Nice and simple. Number 2, you're invisible. Remember, you got to flow to the top of their mind. If they haven't heard from you this week, they just forgot about you. It's just the way it works. So you got to text, call, update them on a mutual client. Just stay present, right? Stay in front of them. You don't have to be annoying. You just have to be around. Just be around, like in a helpful, relevant way. Number 3, you're not making their life easier. Remember, referrals always go to the path of least resistance. If working with you feels complicated, they'll stop sending you people. So you got to set up a system like where they never hit your voicemail. Make it easy for them to give you clients. Simplify, communicate, anticipate. Say, hey, Carl, how do I set it up so they never hit my voicemail? And tell me more about making their life easier, and so that you get an abundance of referrals by doing just that. So hit me up. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, and I'll show you how to have them sending you more referrals now that you've made it easy to send you clients. Make it easy to give you money. Make it easy to give you money, right? So hit me up. Let's chat. Referrals aren't luck. They're earned through presence, simplicity, and a clear ask. So let's start today. Let's chat. You've got this, and we've got it together.